the MSC Seashore on floor 19. When you first walk in, we've got a full-length mirror with a shelf. Very nice. Next to it, we have closet number 1, and as soon as you open the doors, we've got motion sensor lights, plenty of hanger space. We've also got storage down here, storage up here, and again, closet number 1. There is another one. While we're over here, we've got the thermostat. We always mark it all the way down to cool. The bathroom. This really is my favorite part. First, the robes with the Yacht Club emblem. Look at how big this bathroom is for a cruise. If I haven't already mentioned it, I don't think I have. We are in Yacht Club, which makes such a big difference. So first we have the walk-in shower that also has a seat. You want to come on in here? No? Look at how big this is. Have you ever seen a cruise shower that is this big? I could potentially do jumping jacks in here. All right, we also have lots of counter space, and then we have 2 shelves. We also have 2 shower caps, and then this is new. So normally up here, you'd also have like lotion, shampoo, that stuff, but now there's a giant thing of lotion and a giant thing of hand soap. Also a soap thing if you have your own. Sink. We also have some cabinets down here, trash can, extra toilet paper, toothbrush holders. We also have a little makeup mirror. More storage here, more toilet paper there. Toilets, again, towels. This is a Yacht Club emblem, so you won't see these in the other rooms, not in Yacht Club. Okay. We also have a couple hooks, which will probably wind up having bathing suits on them by the end of the week. We have 2 buttons here. One is do not disturb, so if we're in here, you know, don't want to be bothered, we can turn that on. There have been times where we have been at the bar and our butler has come and been like, hey, you know, your do not disturb button is on to let us know in case we wanted to clean the room, which is nice. And then you also have the button that says make up the room, so you can turn that on when you're not in here and you want things to get cleaned, which I will say they also clean often. Like almost every time we leave the room, we come back to a clean room. All right, we have espresso machine, which I've never actually used. It's nice that we have, but I like when they make it for me. Water, we usually have 1 or 2 of these every single night. They'll restock them. More shelves, huge desk space, which with also a giant mirror. This drawer has a laundry bag in it, laundry service. That I think is an extra cost. We do get 4 free steams, hair dryer, and then again, lots of mirror space, and there's a chair, so I'll be doing my makeup here. More storage, so much storage. Okay, this part is fun. So we have some little snacks, extra little cups in case we order a bottle of something. We'll also get a complimentary bottle of champagne at some point, so that'll be nice for that. Some glasses and mugs for our tea, which we also have some teacups here too. Lots of different tea options. And then down here we have like a plate and everything that's also more storage. And then here we have the mini bar, which is also all included. So we don't have to worry about extra costs if we try and drink or eat any of this stuff. So we can also request what we want in here, which will probably get rid of that entire top row and just like request specific things. And our butler will make sure that's filled. You get 1 of these per trip, and it's so good. And then water. So again, we'll request what we want in there. Usually we'll get like Blue Moon, that kind of thing. All right, so the bed. This is for our suitcases when we get them. The bed itself is like Tempur-Pedic, really nice. On each side, there is a lamp, a little reading light, and then this button, I can actually control all of the room lights from here. So if we get in bed and we turn the lights off, I can do it here. And then we've got 2 drawers on the side. And they've got that soft close. Okay, and there's also, just to mention, there's storage under the beds. That's where all our suitcases will go once they're unpacked. And just to mention, we've never done this, but in Yacht Club, you can ask your butler to unpack for you. that's like next level luxury that we have not actually tried yet. But again, drawers with the soft clothes on the side. On this side, you don't have, actually you have everything the same, but we do also have that charging port. And I do still have the ability to turn all the lights on and off. So over here we have like some shelving that could also be used for extra storage, decorative stuff. So nice. Little chair with our TV. And then welcome to our living room, because that's how much space we have. This is very much a yacht club thing. I think in the standard rooms you do have a couch, but just the amount of space we have in here is crazy. All right, so now closet number 2. Again, the motion censored lights. So the hanger space is a little bit less, but that's because we have the drawers. Our slippers are down there. More storage up here. We've already put our backpacks up there. The safe, shoe polishing, shoe thing. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4. This is usually, 5. We've got 5 drawers. So lots and lots of storage. Last, but certainly not least, our balcony. See if I can figure out how to open it. So much space out here. And that is Port Canaveral. It's a little gloomy today, but that's okay. We're on a cruise, so we are happy. Lots of people still just arriving. And we have picked the very last room in Yacht Club. So on this side, there's not another room. This is where it ends. I think that's the Aurora pool area. Anyways, so we don't have neighbors on this side. We do have neighbors on that side. But this is how big it is. We have so much balcony space. I could do, I think I said this in the last one, but I could do like a full-on workout if I wanted to out here. Anyways, this is home for the next 7 nights and 8 days. And we are happy to be here.